Hey, welcome back. I am Rajesh and today I am going to discuss about the derivation part of the OSD. So before going to start this overtaking side distance derivation, let me tell you one thing. If you haven't seen the theory part of it, I mean the definition part of the overtaking side distance, its factors, where it depends, its assumption. So all those videos link you would find in the description box. From there you can watch and I hope you understand. So now let's start the today's session. Hello, so let me tell you first what is overtaking side distance. Overtaking side distance means planning to overtake the slow moving vehicles along with safety against the traffic of these opposite vehicles is nothing but a overtaking side distance. So now let's see. So this is overtaking vehicles and this is overtaken vehicles and this is the opposite vehicles, upcoming vehicles. So a stopping distance is equal to d1 plus d2 plus d3. And d2 is equal to, you can see in the figure, s plus b plus s. So this s is nothing but a spacing between the d2 is equal to s plus b plus s. So d2 becomes as 2s plus IRC recommendation s is equal to 0.7 VB plus 6 according to IRC recommendation. IRC is nothing but a Indian Road Congress. So d1 is equal to this distance is nothing but a, this is the overtaking vehicles and this is overtaken vehicle. So the distance traveled by these vehicles is, distance means what, velocity into time taken. So d1 is equal to v into t. So this t is the reaction time of the driver. T is reaction time of driver. It is taken as 2 seconds in OSD. And d3 is vehicles or opposite vehicles, you can say. So d3 is vv into capital. So d3 is equal to v into t, velocity into time taken. So this t is the overtaking time. And x is equal to ut plus half at squared. This equation you might be studied in physics. So here x is distance, u is the initial speed, so the distance is equal to what, a stopping side distance s is equal to d1 plus d2 plus d3. So this d2 is equal to s plus b plus s. So x is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 half at squared. So putting these values, so x is s plus b plus s distance. So u means initial speed. So initial speed means what? The first equation d1, distance between the a1 and a2 as shown in the figure. So d1 is equal to vv into t. So this equation vv into t plus 1 by 2 at so squared. It becomes as what, 2s plus b is equal to vv into t plus half at square. So b is the distance between the overtaken vehicle. B is vv into t, the distance between the b1 and so put the b value, b 2s plus b is vv into t is equal to vv into t plus 1 by 2 at square. Here b is Vb into t. So it becomes as, so this will get cancel. So 2s is equal to what? 1 by 2 AT square. We will get the value 4s by a. So this is the overtaking time t, where s is equal to 0.7 Vb plus 6. Overtaking side distance, as we know, d1 plus d2 plus d3. So putting all these value, d1 is equal to Vb into t, and d2 we got, d2 is what? 2s plus b. So b is the overtaken, b is what? Overtaken distance. So 2s plus b, how much we get? b into t. So b is Vb into t. So d2 we get how much? 2s plus Vb into t. So that is the d2 distance, Vb into t plus 2s. d3 is v into t. This is the opposite vehicle's distance. So overtaking side distance, OSD, is equal to, it becomes as Vb into t plus Vb into capital T plus 2s plus v into t. So this is the final equation of the overtaking side distance. This equation in meter per second. So this t is the overtaken time, and v is the speed of the opposite vehicles, and s is spacing, and this t is the reaction time of the driver, 2 seconds. If you want to calculate OSD in kilometer per hour, so you can calculate OSD is equal to 0.28 Vb into t plus 0.28 Vb into capital T plus what? 2s plus 0.28 v into t. So this equation in kilometer per hour. So this small t is the nothing but a driver reaction time. Driver reaction time we are taking 2 seconds, and this capital T is the overtaking time. And v is the speed of the opposite vehicles. Speed of opposite vehicles. So that is the final equation of the OSD in kilometer per hour, and this equation in meter per second. So in this way you can derive the derivation of the OSD.